Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Traders Talk. Hope you all are doing great. Today we will do a weekly analysis of Euro USD. Euro USD pair, what we had in last week, the analysis went up perfect as what I said during my last weekly breakdown. Please go and watch that video so that you can understand why I have given this the PNL of almost 13 13 yeah, more than 15,000 points. Let's move further for this week, from which level we can go first buy again. So we'll go on weekly time frame. I will delete all the levels. Just watch this PNL only. Just remember this PNL. We'll remove all the drawings so that everyone can understand the level of buy and the level of sell as a scalp for sell and buy for long. This is a really good pair who is following the smart money concept, though it is a slowly moving, but the levels whatever the pending, he has touched each and every level. I will go in higher time frame of monthly, where we can clearly see in the moment of this price. Yes. This was evening star and this day is already done, but the morning star is here. One on a weekly time frame. This was the morning star in Gulf retest pending. Second, this was evening star. Prices just started rejecting. So for how long it may go for fall. So on daily time frame, these are the area what we find out. Now it is falling on after test this, it will go for buy for longer time. So for sell also, from which level we can go for sell. This is the best area of buy what I mentioned. For sell, price need to test break this level first on this area, or this is the zone of buy. And for sell, we'll do one thing, we'll apply a fib retracement over the here, let the price come slightly upward to this area, then we'll enter sell till this, and then there will be buy, right? So sell side PNL will be this is also good points. Yes, and at day candle, see, the day candle is closed like a bullish inverted hammer, so it can be a bullish form in next week till this level, and it may fall now. So this is what the Euro USD is showing. Hope you like this video and like my analysis. If you really like, please hit the like button, it means a lot for me. Thank you so much for watching my analysis.